morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, the sky is clear. There's the sun again. Glad to see you again, Mr. Sun. Good morning, guys. This is Erds, E-R-D-Z. Erds. Welcome to my channel, Rider DZ1. I will be testing my new windshield. Tawag ba doon? Windshield ba tawag doon? Windscreen, wind protector of my microphone. So new mic setup, because the other day nawala ko yung foam. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako nalaglag. Siguro nung bumili ako nung tail light, kasi pumunta ako ng shop, hinubad ko yung helmet ko dun eh. Then I've noticed wala na yung foam, and I tried vlogging the other day, and the sound, ang sakit sa ulo. Hindi nyo maintindihan yung mga sinasabi ko nung, dahil ang sakit sa ulo. Ayan, that's a night ride, that's a night vlog noon the other day. Hindi kasi umuulan noon, kaya maganda yung setup sana for night vlog. Kaso problema, ang pangit ng audio, sakit sa ulo. Hindi ko nga ma-edit na maayos dahil sakit sa tenga. Hi guys! Hi guys! This is Erds, E-R-D-Z, Erds. Welcome to my channel, Rider DZ1. Meron akong modified. This is a modified windscreen, or a DIY, or do it yourself windscreen. In other terms, this is a dead cat. Yeah, I have a dead cat in my helmet. Technically, as of the moment, ang aking basic setup dito sa vlog na to, I'm just using an SJ Cam 4000, which is the most cheapest, or the entry level for action camera in SJ Cam series. Hindi pa kaya ng GoPro eh. GoPro 10 beses ang presyo nung gamit ko. So malinaw rin naman, may nakikita pa rin naman kayo. The problem is, yung SJ Cam 4000 has no mic, no mic input. So I have to improvise by recording my audio through my phone. I'm recording my audio through my phone. So maganda-ganda rin yun, dahil hindi ko makain ng extra battery dun sa aking action cam. So I ordered the action camera at our suking online shopping, Lazada. Ang traffic early in the morning. The heck, that's what I hate the most, early in the morning. trucks this big. So yun nga, so I ordered the action camera at our suking online shopping Lazada. So nabili ko nga itong camera na to sa Lazada for I think it's around 2.4, 2.5. Hindi ko lang alam sakto yung presyo eh. I'll check it up. And also this mic is lavalier mic or lapel mic. Pag nagkaroon na ng budget, kapag naka LL na or nakaluwag-luwag na, we'll upgrade our gear. Syempre unahin ko yung audio, pero yun ang mas mura eh. So how was the audio so far? Is it good? Kasi nung mga una kong mga videos, narinig pa yung ano ko, hingal ko eh. Ay, narinig ba? Eh dito, pag nag-ano ako, nag-speed up ako dito sa stretch na to. Let's check. Let's check if you can hear something. You can hear the wind. Woohoo! Okay, my next coming videos I'll have a surprise, so watch out. Do you remember my last video kung saan ako bumili ng lube? Pumunta ako ng SM. Di ba meron akong isang product doon na binabanggit? Akalain mo yun. So I'll be making a huge shout out to that on my next videos. Okay, so guys, if you like my videos, please click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to watch my other videos. Always remember, ride steady, ride safe. Rider DZ1 out.